Your car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's your daily companion on the road, navigating busy highways, unpredictable traffic, and unexpected situations. But what happens when an accident occurs, or you need proof of an event? That's where a reliable dashcam becomes essential. From 4K Ultra HD recording to AI-powered emergency response, these dashcams do more than just record. They act as your extra set of eyes. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best dashcams that not only capture clear footage, but also provide intelligent safety features to keep you protected. Stay tuned, and I've included links to the reviewed products below, along with some exclusive deals on other great items. Check them out, you might find something you love. Number 1 is REDTIGER 3-channel dashcam. For those who demand full coverage protection, the REDTIGER F17 stands out with its 3-channel recording system, capturing crisp 4K video at the front and 1080p footage inside and at the rear. With a 150-degree front view, 160-degree cabin view, and 155-degree rear view, this dashcam ensures 360-degree monitoring, making it ideal for families and rideshare drivers. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi and GPS, the REDTIGER app allows for instant footage access and real-time location tracking, ensuring that critical moments are never lost. Its advanced night vision, featuring a Stratus sensor, 4 IR lights, and WDR technology, provides excellent clarity even in low light conditions. Plus, its triple parking mode, when paired with a hardwire kit, offers 24/7 vehicle security. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, this dashcam uses a supercapacitor for reliable performance and includes an 18-month guarantee for added assurance. Number 2 is Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam. If you're looking for an intelligent dashcam that offers real-time alerts and security features, it is a standout. With Smart Sense parking, it provides instant threat alerts and monitors movements around your vehicle using AI-powered spatial awareness. This is particularly useful for those who park in high-risk areas. A unique feature is Guardian Mode, which lets you set speed and location limits, ensuring that you remain in control even when someone else is driving your car. The Witness Mode acts as an emergency response system, allowing you to record and share live footage with a trusted contact at the command of your voice. Additionally, the Emergency SOS Response feature can instantly notify 911 with your location and medical details in case of an accident. With RoadWatch AI coming soon, this dashcam promises an unparalleled level of real-time driving data for enhanced security. Number 3 is Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. For those who prefer a discreet and compact dashcam, Garmin Mini 2 is an excellent option. About the size of a car key, it mounts behind your rearview mirror and remains virtually unnoticed while still delivering 1080p HDR video with a 140-degree wide-angle lens. Despite its compact size, it offers voice control for hands-free operation and automatically saves incident footage to its secure online vault for later access. Parking Guard provides motion-based alerts when the vehicle is parked, ensuring you're always aware of any suspicious activity. The Live View monitoring feature, accessible through the Garmin Drive app, allows you to check in on your vehicle remotely. If you're looking for a no-fuss, high-performance dash cam, this is a fantastic choice. Number 4 is Escort M2 Smart Dash Cam. Designed for seamless integration with Escort radar detectors, the Escort M2 Smart Dash Cam is ideal for drivers who want full HD 1080p recording with additional road awareness. It offers built-in GPS for speed and location tracking, ensuring every detail of your drive is recorded. Its dual-band Wi-Fi allows for automatic software updates and cloud video management, making it easy to store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. Additionally, the Emergency Mayday Alert feature automatically notifies an emergency contact in case of a severe accident, ensuring that help arrives as quickly as possible. Another key highlight is its integration with the Drive Smarter community, allowing users to receive real-time road alerts from other drivers across the country. Number 5 is Ventrue Dash Cam. For complete interior and exterior coverage, the Venture N4 is a powerful 3-channel dash cam that simultaneously records 1440p at the front, 1440p inside, and 1080p at the rear. With infrared night vision, it's an excellent option for rideshare drivers who need clear footage of their vehicle's cabin at night. Switching to front and rear dual recording mode gives you 4K at the front and 1080p at the rear, making it easier to capture road signs and license plates in ultra-high resolution. The adjustable inside camera allows for flexibility in capturing vehicle activity, and 24-hour parking mode ensures your car is monitored at all times. Powered by a supercapacitor, it withstands extreme temperatures, making it a durable, all-weather dashcam solution. Choosing the best dashcam depends on your specific needs, whether you want full 360-degree coverage, AI-powered alerts, cloud connectivity, or compact convenience. The REDTIGER F17 is perfect for those needing all-around protection, while the Nextbase IQ offers intelligent features and emergency response. The Garmin Mini 2 is great for a discreet yet high-quality recording. The Escort M2 integrates well with radar detectors, and the Venture N4 delivers rideshare-friendly coverage with night vision.